Hello there and welcome back to the web programming video series. In this video we are going to discuss on the product deactivation and deactivation status within the my products page. So you have the ability to deactivate a product or activate the product within the my products page. Say the seller didn't want the product to be in his page, so he deactivated the product, and the seller didn't have the product in his hand, so then also he can deactivate the product. So when the seller receives an amount of goods, then he can reactivate the product again so that the products are visible to the customers. Let's now have a look at our database. So the status ID changes from 1 to 2. So if it is available, it stays as 1, and if it is not available, it goes to 2. So that's the change that happens within the database. So whatever products I had changed to 2, and what is unchanged stays as 1. Now let's have a look at our code. So this is my products page, and this is the card bar, and on click the change status is activated and it goes to the JavaScript side. So what happens is we send the change status with the data ID, and it is sent to the JavaScript, and then it goes through an Ajax system, and the data is changed within the database. So in this one we can select the make the product active. So if the selected data is equals to 2, if it is deactivated, then you will receive these two data. You make product active. If it is status is number 1, that means we will have another option to deactivate the product. So it works the way the user needs it to work. Now let's go to the JavaScript side of the page. So in this the change status, we get the ID through the parameters, and then we select the product ID, and we send the product ID through the Ajax script, and it is deactivated, then we should show an alert called product deactivated, and the page should reload. Likewise, if the product is activated, then should alert that the product is activated and the page should reload. We are not changing anything else. Once the product is reloaded, then the status will change within the design. If there is an error message, the error message is displayed through the text, through an alert text, and we are sending it through a get method, which is not secure, but we will not need a security method for this. So we are sending it through the get method, and then when we go to the change state process.php, we are requiring the connection.php, and then we are getting the product ID, and then we are selecting all the products from the product table, and then we get the product num, and then we can see that if the product number is equal to 1, it changes the product, else something else went wrong. So the product doesn't exist, so they should get an error message. So we are using the update query to change the status from 1 to 2, 2 to 1, like that, and vice versa. So that's all for today. We will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.